Alright, so here's the lower arm ready to bore. So I tack these on top so I can ensure it's centered perfectly. On these, I did these are 1 3/4 diameter inside, and it's going to be bored to a little over 2 for it to fit through. But these are tacked in place, so these are in the perfect location on this arm. So that ensures it will be match drilled and everything's going to be right in relation to each other. You see this is going to be where the table mounts here. I did run into some issues with this one, and I can't figure out why still, but what the problem is if you look in here, see it's way off center for that. And if I had it centered, which I double checked all my measurements were all right. This seemed right in relation to that. I mean, there was an off chance it could mess up on torching, but for some reason it just didn't work, because you need, this should be aligned with 2 inches above this. So if you look, it just about is. It's kind of hard to see there, but that's right about 2. It's like a little over or under depending on, it's not quite square yet, but I don't know why it wasn't working. This is correct as it is now. I'm not sure why I'm off by that much. I need to double check my model, make sure everything's right, but either way, I'm ready to bore.